Hey everyone, I'm Kristen Kenny at the Vivint Demo House, and today I'm going to show you how to download the highly rated Vivint app. So let's get started. Now, whether you're waiting for installation day or your system is already up and running, we recommend to download the Vivint app. It's available for free via the Apple Store and Google Play Store and will give you complete control over your entire system. When you open the app, you'll have the option to log in with your Vivint credentials or explore the demo mode. For now, we'll check out the demo mode. So in the demo mode, you'll notice 5 tabs along the bottom of your screen: security, thermostats, cameras, lights, and activity. The security tab is where you control the main security components of your system. Here you can arm and disarm your system with a simple swipe. You'll also be able to lock and unlock your front door and open and close the garage. Tap the gear in the top right corner to view advanced security settings and check on all your doors and windows. The Thermostat tab allows you to easily adjust the temperature in your home via the plus and minus buttons or by using the sliding blue and orange circles. Tap the gear icon in the top right corner to enable Smart Assistant and set custom temperatures for when you're home, sleeping, away, and even on vacation. The Cameras tab is where you can view live and recorded video feeds from all of your cameras, including Doorbell Camera Pro, Outdoor Camera Pro, and Indoor Camera. Tap any video to view the feed, pinch to zoom in, use two-way talk, and take screenshots. Tap the gear icon to set the doorbell chime, notification, and recording preferences, and a whole lot more. The Lights tab is where you can control all the lights connected to your system even when you're not there. Simply tap to turn on the light you want and adjust the brightness for others. You can also create a new group to control several lights in the same room at the same time. The Activity tab lets you see everything that's happening in and around your home and check the status of your whole system at a glance. You can easily scroll through your timeline for every notification and status change. The Vivint app also works on tablets and an Apple Watch to give you even more options to control your smart home system. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and click the bell notification so that you know when we upload new content. Bye for now.